Bia kamal banangish gwasame kan nginititi man banangish na wal banangish ka tishal ka conjunction reatin tuom ka dobreni kan banangish no career ti ka very important long ko der andara kangach bi goro jin bi channel bi support ke bi subscribe ko mite ga mishi bare gwad bi chamala shi be ka jikapat kan conjunction ka dop la tuom ka neria dangro ka ban yu to gwad me to kon ga to English kana jan Thok Nath ko bi kon to gwad ban ka ngai kel ko dom ga ko de kon ka understand and all let kedi tuom ne jaka maniam book and pen ename lura nungu jala shwal conjunction book and pen lor nod book kene galam kene enakel book kene galam book and pen coffee or tea bun ke shai ke me janan gwadme or ke he came but he did not work jen chaben nuwen dungno kana let but gwadan lo ne dungno ke dungdawo kana let but lo nungu lo ne dungdawo te kon ke na me he came late because it was raining jen be ke jwa ko dem nialene gwasame te mugorano bakaf ke bakap koro da kel ko gwalon ko de randere jangaj na malot ka gwada me jene gor jene banam banyo de ko dob dan deran der jangaj ke jeno ngum le ro da ke ngum to manyam jene men banangaj mishal ke me watte mishale what ngu na mene a question amurai na ka kwi question ke tin chagor ko nyin tenye to shale question what ngu which mendian when nay michalar when lor no nay to kon ke where gwas emis gwasemit wu nga wum lotanga ko dere understand no wus edunga why ngu ke odi how hidi misha and jogono how delu no di kede ti ke chetka nyin tenen ko la na tike ke ko dero du tik karwade no titine ngulut kanamo misha ran chaji tik chitko na gwad me chikora jene kana me misha jogono what ngu which mendian when nay birping gwadame where gwasemis wu nga wum lotanga wus edunga misha wus lone edunga why ngu kede larno odi how idi diro do kebe kanono kan titina gwasame ke very important ka kwingi chako kai chala ka conjunction book and pen blunodi book and galam book and pen book and galam coffee or tea bun ke shai he came but he did not work jen chaben nuwen dungdo kana let he came late because it was raining jen beke jako dem nialene and follow for more bia kamal and wala banangish katishal ke preposition a preposition malode katina alaska kam do prieni tegre alaska kam do prieni kan shal ke preposition etone kan til alaska kam do prieni la lokariet ko be chongogwa ka jan ngije me bana je ngaje gwanu be kon preposition bana ka ngaje mi jira ma jidit gwasame kan ogo jeno der channel der support gor jeno der subscribe kan Nuer Language School ko mite ga ngi mishi bare da sho mala shibe kaji ka gwada dana changi chaje la rej ngije me gwa ka kwinanten kontin ko irun ken kanane tidit der gwano der anda ro palpin ka lieng dien name dobriene Thok English namene dobriene Thok Nath bana ka kula nanka ka Thok Nath career Thok English bro you palpinya go manyam yana tok the student is in the class. The student is in the class. Gwada me jono kono wodi gat bil gora jare class. Gat bil gora jare class. Konto konga preposition gwada me benyo di ka kel. Preposition vai kono kwiri jene mutual ke in. In me luda ne rei. Michael the student is in the class. Donod gat bil gora jare class. Preposition ke malalat ka kam dobrini ko be dobrir be ko chung ajen chet kere mishal ke in wana gwadme ka menadian mishawi he went out chakachrar gwazme to kon ko mishal ka me out jen lurun rar no rar kana out jen kel mishawi he went out lot nodi chakachrar no bi gwat ken bi shunga jentama ka preposition wana gwasme he is inside the office jentere muktaba gwatme preposition jena inside ray no ray jentual ka inside ray dwara is inside the office jentere muktaba wana wewe he is outside the office mulot nodi jen terar muktaba to kon ka rar me jen preposition ki outside gwadame outside jen chal ka rar above 30 degrees centigrade te nyam ka centigrade ni ti jendang jok te nyam jen chal ka above miten nyam ke miten nyal misha above tenyal blue taping bana medodian menen gwatame blue 30 degrees centigrade lunodi taping centigrade ni ti jendang jok taping gwatame chali blue tenyam ke tenyal chala above dio je sha lo de sha jentama the book is under the table book taping tarbeda ping under mutping the book is under the table lunodi book taping tarbeda the book is on the table lot knodi book tewi sarbeta on mitwi dwar ka chali wi dwara on oname ami tewi dwara the book is on the table lot knodi book tewi sarbeta behind the church jok dwelkot behind mate jo dwara chale behind the church jok dwelkot in front of the church nyam luakot in front lud nyam dwara nyam luakot in front of the church nyam luakot opposite to bang nyam dwel tawayoni chale opposite lo tik nama kujero dien tim nama kujero dien opposite to bang nyam dual tawa yone he is next to me jen gureniha he is next to me jen gureniha a map of Ethiopia ture which Ethiopia a map of South Sudan sure which South Sudan he came from India jen beke India he went to office jen shawa ka muktab he is around bus station jen jagwas kut torbieli I am with my friend Takel Kona Mazda please follow for more.